Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a real gem from the past. It's a vintage number 5 slip joint pliers crafted by T. Williams Tools Limited in Birmingham, England. These pliers tell a story that dates back to March 29, 1906 when T. Williams Drop Forges and Tools Limited was incorporated. Specialising in wrenches and pliers, had become a staple in the tool industry. T. Williams factory was located on Tilton Road in Birmingham, a stone's throw from the impressive PSA factory complex in the small heath. It was a hub of productivity and craftsmanship. Not sure if the same can be said for this area today in Birmingham, but who knows. By the 1960s, T. Williams was one of the last surviving English tool manufacturers, standing resilient as many of their peers had faded away. But sadly in the 90s, change came to Birmingham. The city demolished the Tilton Road terraces to expand Birmingham City's St Andrews Stadium, marking the end of an era. These pliers themselves have stood the test of time despite the odds, showing signs of wear and tear that tell their own story, but today we are restoring them to their former glory. I'm just using basic tools for this, a wire wheel and a drill, and some WD-40 is pretty much all I've used. It's very straightforward, just keep sanding the rust back. Once the bare metal is nicely exposed, it's time for the finish. In this instance, I have simply painted them black and used a lacquer. Now, the number 5 slip joint pliers are a versatile tool, and their grip pivot allows the jaws to open wide to accommodate different applications such as gripping nuts and bolts, bending wire and holding irregular shaped items. So hopefully I'll be able to get some nice use out of these. Even though I'm not a mechanic myself, I just thought they'd be great to have in the tool bag because they're nice and light. And here we are at the end of the video. You can see they're restored vintage number 5 slip joint pliers. It's a perfect blend of history and functionality. It's amazing to think about all the hands that these pliers have been in and the work they have contributed to. Thank you for joining us on this restoration journey. If you've enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more restorations, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Until next time, keep exploring the history behind the tools we love.